Hello, my name is Dr. Mario Del Castillo. I'm a senior consultant at itdworld. I've been in learning and development for more than 30 years. Would you be interested in knowing how to get ready for your next step in L&D? Get qualified for your next step up. Join us in the Certification in Instructional Design and Development, or CIDD. By joining us, you will be able to design and create engaging learning experiences for in-person classes as well as online classes. You'll be learning two sets of very important tools. First set will be all the instructional principles and also the instructional tools that you will use to produce praiseworthy course designs and materials. Your knowledge of instructional principles and your abilities to use the latest development tools will make you the MVP or most valuable person in L&D. The modules that you will take are Foundations, Learning Sciences, Design Thinking, Instructional Systems, Instructional Analysis, Learning Strategies, Developing Resources, Evaluation, and finally, you put all of that together at the final capstone project. You'll be able to create at any time engaging learning experiences whenever you need them. All of your lessons, your modules, your courses, even your entire curriculum for your e-learning courses as well as for your face-to-face online courses. If you think it fits into your career plans, get in touch with your ITD World colleague nearest you or find us at itdworld.com. Hope to see you really soon for one of our CIDD programs. Again, this is Dr. Mario Del Castillo wishing you a good day.